I never realized this, but these egg bites from Starbucks are 300 calories per serving and 180 calories just from the fat. And they expect you to pay $6 for these things. I think we can do better than that. We're making 12 high protein egg bites just by swapping a couple ingredients. They're still going to be just as cheesy and just as packed full of flavor. Preheat your oven to 350. This recipe comes together fast. And get a pot of water boiling for a water bath. Alright, go ahead and grab some Black Forest ham and we're going to dice up 3 slices. And set that aside for later. Grab some Gouda cheese and go ahead and shred 3/4 cup. Starbucks uses just whole eggs in their egg bites, but we're adding egg whites too. That lowers the calories and bumps up the protein. Measure 3/4 cup and add that to the blender. Measure out 1/2 cup of cottage cheese. We're using this instead of heavy cream. It keeps them creamy, lowers the fat, and adds extra protein. Now add in 2/3 of the shredded Gouda. Save the rest. We're going to sprinkle that on top before they go in the oven. Add 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, onion powder, and fine sea salt. Now crack in 8 large eggs. Just go ahead and add those in. We're going to blend this until it's completely smooth and fully combined. Once blended, grab your egg bite mold and a larger tray for the water bath. I'm using silicone, but a muffin tin works too. If you're using a muffin tin, just make sure you spray it with cooking spray to help the egg bites release later. Grab the ham we diced earlier and just divide it as evenly as you can between all 12. I like pouring the egg mixture into a cup with a spout so it's easier to fill without spilling. Fill your molds almost to the top. These don't rise very much, just leave a little room for the cheese we're adding next. Transfer the tray to the oven, then slide your mold over a little bit so you have room to pour in the boiling water for the water bath. Fill it about 3/4 of the way up to the sides. This helps the egg bites cook gently, keeping them soft and creamy on the inside with a nice cheesy top. Close the oven and let these go for 25 to 30 minutes. And check that they've reached at least 165. Turn the oven off and let them sit for 30 to 45 minutes. They'll set up as they cool and it makes them much safer to pull out. You can see they sit up perfectly, soft in the middle with that cheesy top. The silicone mold makes them really easy to pop out. These are perfect for meal prep, grab and go breakfast, or even a quick snack. And these are way lighter than the Starbucks version. These will stay good in the fridge for about 4 to 5 days, or you can freeze them for up to 2 months. Just reheat them in the microwave for about 30 to 45 seconds. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one.